What's up, Wolfpack? Today I'm going to show you how to make Scorpion shoulder armor from MK11. The patterns for this and his other armor can be found in my Etsy shop. The link is in the video description. Let's get started. Once you download your patterns, you're going to want to open it in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click print and ensure that it's in poster. If it's in any other, the pattern can get skewed. I like to make sure the cut marks are on there. If you need to size up or size down your pattern, you can do so by changing the percentage. Once you have your patterns printed out, you'll be able to see where the cut marks are. Cut those out and line up your patterns, then tape them together, and then cut out all your patterns. To make the shoulder armor, I'll be using 4mm and 2mm EVA foam. I like to use silver Sharpies to be able to outline my patterns. TNT Cosplay Supply actually sends silver Sharpies with all of their foam orders. To start, I like to start in one corner just in case I accidentally move my pattern while I'm trying to trace it. Now trace all your patterns. You'll want to use 2mm EVA foam for the shoulder layer 2 and the shoulder detail. Once all your patterns are traced, it's time to cut them out. I like to use a craft knife with the locking wheel at the end. This way it does not extend or contract without me saying so. Now since this pattern is for the left shoulder, and I already have that, I'm going to flip my pattern over and flip my EVA foam over in order to transfer it and to make my right side. I outline where the shoulder detail 2 will go, and I start to outline where the cut will go so I can start making the collar. Then I outline where the shoulder detail and the other piece will attach. Once you have all your outlines, it's time to glue your pieces together. You have to put contact cement on both sides in order for them to fully adhere. I like to use barge contact cement. Once you have your glue on, you'll have to wait for it to stop being shiny in order for it to adhere together properly. For detailed pieces, I like to start in one corner so I know that I'm lining it up properly. It makes it a lot easier so you don't have to rip it off and glue it all over again. If I already have one side done, I like to use it as a reference so I know they look the same. Before you glue the shoulder layer 2, you'll want to create the -45° V cut along that line. Ensure you do not cut all the way through your piece. It may be a little tricky, but keep working at it and you'll get it. Once I have my V-groove, I like to take my heat gun and heat up my foam and get it to start bending a little. Now apply contact cement into your groove and wait for it to stop being shiny before you push the edges together. When attaching the shoulder layer 2, you do not have to worry about having too much contact cement on your brush. You have a lot of surface that you have to cover, so just glob it on there and brush it around. Again, start in one corner to make sure you line up your detail properly. And once your pieces are fully glued together, take your heat gun and heat up your EVA foam. You will have to overbend it a little bit in order to get the shape that you want. For the shoulder, you will have to work with the collar a little bit as it will try to start coming undone. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you guys in the building process. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment for me in this video of what you want to see next. See you guys next time.